What's up, YouTube? What's up? I guess this part 2, not really. You know what I'm saying? But, excuse me, I guess I'm a little sick, not really. I ain't gonna speak that to existence, but you see I'm making another video. It's the same day, I just got a different jacket on. I can get this jacket dirty. But I told y'all I'm gonna kill these videos, you know what I'm saying? I got my piece. My piece came in from my Jeep. You know what I'm saying? I think you can see it. The sun out crazy right now. But it's 4 o'clock. It get dark at 5 o'clock. And I'm looking rough because I'm about to get under the Jeep and put this new piece in. This is a shift linkage repair kit. And my door was open. And this kit, let me get to the sun. This kit make the gear shift right. And the cars just going by. Yeah, I'm dark or something, I don't know. But yeah, it's just a little piece right here. If you can see, it's that little piece right there. But we're about to get started. Right now, I'm trying to find a flathead screwdriver. I'm trying to find one. I don't see one. I have tools everywhere. Everything is unorganized, to be honest. But I'm gonna find one, and I'm gonna start the video back. You know what I'm saying? But other than that, I told you I'm gonna be consistent with these videos, no matter what's going on. But this, like I say, it's a vlog and it's a daily thing, or skip a day daily or whatever. But this a new thing. This how we gonna be rocking. You know what I'm saying? I'm about to find this flathead and we gonna get it rolling.
I say feelings, gotta stay up by them feelings. We can't make no dealings with no feelings. I like sexing on bad bitches with no feelings. Told her mama start that motherfucking trippin'. I say feelings, stay up by them feelings. I don't want no feelings, I don't want no feelings. Fuck your hustle up with feelings. Every time I put my feelings in, you know that shit get hurt. I ain't fuck around with feelings, fuck around gon' meet the dirt. Fuck around and put my feelings in, I end up at a hearse. Fuck around and get my feelings hurt, then I start going to church. Never worry about a nigga or a bitch. I don't fuck around with sneezer, yeah, you know that whole trick. Know they gonna talk about you when you get up on your shit.
Okay, so you see that I tried to put the flathead in there, and it's not making me put it in gear. I do not know why. I don't know if that leakage piece is broke from the top, from the bottom. I think it's broke for the bottom. Most likely it's broke for the bottom, but I'm about to go ahead and try to go ahead and put the piece on there. And need some sunlight, it's kind of dark. I'm gonna go ahead and try to put the piece in there, and yeah, let's get it. So as you can see, is that this piece is literally broke. This is it right here, I think. I think it's supposed to go in this thing right here. This is the piece that broke. I'm gonna show you. Okay, as you can see, that the piece is broke. Here, go like this. You see the piece is broke. And I have the new plastic piece right here. Here. Check it out. Right here. The old one here, you see both of them together. You see it's broke. I don't know why they went with plastic, not metal. It's very crazy to me. But yeah, that's the new piece right here. And I'm about to pop it in. I think it came out that way, this way. I don't know, but I'll figure it out. All right. As you can see, I did it. If it showed on the video, I don't know. But let me show you. It is fixed. Oh, snap. Okay. So at first, it wouldn't let me go in reverse. And it's showing that it's reverse right there. It's in reverse. Go in gear. It's going in drive now. All right. So now, what I'm about to do is, it seemed like it's not clapped in all the way. So I'm gonna let the Jeep warm up. It's not clapped in all the way. So yeah, I'm gonna get some pliers and make it real tight for it to pop right in real good. But it really only took 5 minutes. I promise you, it only took like 5 minutes. The piece that was on there looked like it'd been on there for a long time. But let me find the pliers or something, and I'll be back.
31, let that shit ride.
Hey, Buck, put some motherfucking funk on this one. See, it's been a long time.
Alright, as you can see that this is on there, up there. You see the cleanest thing on there. I think I'm done. I hope it's popped in real good. And yeah, really 5 minutes. It only took 5 minutes to do it, so it really wasn't nothing. But yeah. So if your Jeep ever stop going in gear, or I'm literally recording this under the truck. But if your Jeep ever, your car, I don't know, but I think this is my first time ever having this problem. But if your Jeep ever comes to the point that it won't go in gear, please check your shift linkage and buy you a shift linkage repair kit. I bought it off Amazon for $19. My homeboy said they got some in O'Reilly for like $5. You know what I'm saying? But I already ordered it. But yeah. So last video you see it was cut short. So I'm gonna continue what I did say, but it didn't put it on there. I do not know why. But remember that without you, you don't have nobody. That's how you say it. Just I don't know. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna just say this. Love yourself. Love God first. Love yourself first too. Because if you can't love yourself, how can you love anybody else? How can you love God if you don't even know yourself? You know what I'm saying? So stay true to yourself, and I'm out. The real Mr. L7.